beach and he said that we can access it. By the way, good morning guys. It's where are we? We're somewhere here. Fuck, I forgot where I am. But yeah, it's accessible. Heading towards Rainbow Beach because we've been to the Rainbow Falls and we're heading to the Rainbow Beach now. We're just hoping the roads are good, even though they're not sealed. We're hoping this car can survive if it's enough road or something. Because there are four-wheel drive tracks and there may be sand bits there, and we don't want to get stuck. Redwood over there, Redwood Farm, I reckon. Yeah, there's a lot of redwoods. That's it. Red, white. Redwood Country. Breakfast. Breakfast and lunch all in one. Brunch. Nice. We're gonna take out the wrap.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, we're in the Rainbow Beach right now, and we're looking for the rainbow. But it's somewhere out there. Yeah, the food was good also here, of course. Yeah, whenever we come to places, we check out the food. Not every food, the food that we want. Okay. Hey, Envy! Cruising on the beach. Pakan dito. It's a bit warm today at Rainbow Beach, and there are a lot of four-wheel driving here. Look at this, Lord. Like they pass by the rock. Just form by the wave. Yeah, form by the wave. So we're here at Rainbow Beach. Sorry. Again, we're here at the Rainbow Beach, and we're looking at the place here. There are lots of four-wheel drives here that goes to the beach. Look at that. And you can do that on Fraser Island. We don't have time. Look at that. So cool. Let me just try to. There you go. Just pass by the rocks. I can see a four-wheel drive just jump over that rock. That's awesome. I guess they're trying to climb, but they're stuck over there. That's quite so high. Look at them. It's gonna be a long climb, but yep. So we're trying to chill up here. That's one of the peaks that they have here. So yeah, that's the sand blow out. I don't know, but yeah, you can see the beach there. The beach is awesome. You can see the colored sand over there. I think it's that one is the colored sand, but it's quite so far. I'm just gonna stay here and chill on the beach. There are heaps of people up here just chilling. You can see some ladies there sunbathing. Yeah, I saw them. And yeah, there's lots of four-wheel drives up here. Check that out. Awesome here. Windy. Sorry about the wind. So yeah, we're going to the colored cliffs. I can't really see my face with this weather, but yeah, we're heading to the cliffs. And hoping it's gonna be good. Another car here, which is so cool. Sand there. It's like it's really white sand there, and this black sand, and ooh, what are these? Stiff. They're waiting. We're gonna cross after the break. Just waiting for the water to go down. Big wave up there. Oh, yo. Nose. Careful. It's kind of windy now. No. Always adventurous one. Almost there. Almost there. You got it. Okay. Three. Makabaw na ka sa history yun. Sige, kaon sa bato.
It's really rough. Sa top ko eh.
History.
Kasi siya yung mga outing. Marking sa isa sa mga tao lahat. Siya, lahi-lahi na siya na-erupt.
Stuck, Matt, you're stuck. All good. What are you doing? You're destroying the earth. You're destroying the earth. What are you doing, Laura?
So,
You're destroying the earth.
to say mo na. Oy! Alam ba?
Ah.
Ang hangin ba yan yung i-carve?
Yan ang intricate mo kayo siya magka-carve.
Tapos ikakapilay na, hindi tao din rin nag-
Do it again. Put a handprints. That's how to put handprints. So yes, kind of wind is still here, but yeah. Hindi. Oh, kana, andito tayo gubun. Look at that. That's the Pyramid of Giza.
Ayun, saka dito.
Yeah.
Ano?
Art is made by the wind, and then she's gonna destroy it. Go! Go for it. You can't resist it. Go for it. What are you doing there? The sand and everything else.
Hey.
Yeah. Batang Wilingaw. That car's stuck there. Yep, it's stuck. It's stuck. Let's wait till you go to the water. There you go. Now, we didn't reach the tip because yeah, it's a lot of walk. Heading back to the car now, and we're heading towards Nusa. Might go to Nusa just quick, just pass by there, and then take Brisbane after that, then the Gold Coast. Yeah, that's it for now. Enjoy the beach. Enjoy the warm weather. Be back in Melbourne soon, where it's cold and very cold.